today I've got a challenge. It's going to be father against daughter. So it's going to be myself and my two daughters. Now, aim of the game is to pop it. So these are the fidget poppers, and the aim is to pop every single one of them. And before we start popping it, we're going to do a stopwatch. So whoever could pop it the quickest is the winner, and they will win £5. Yeah?
What?
Are you guys?
Why not
£10?
Yeah.
Okay. Whoever wins, they get £10. I know I'm going to win, so I'm going to get that £10. So we're not going to delay it any longer. What we're going to do is we're going to start. So we start with the youngest. So you're the youngest. What you're going to do, young lady, show your hands so the audience could see. There's the youngest. This is Inaya. Inaya, say hello.
Hello.
Okay, so Inaya, you have to pop it. When you start, let us know when you're going to start. As soon as you think you've popped every single one of them, you have to say stop. And then the timer is going to stop, yeah? So tell us when you're ready.
Ready.
Go! Come on, and we've got the little bird here as well. You have to go quicker. Oh look, the bird is helping you. Rocky's helping you as well. Quicker. Whoa. No, one finger, one finger, one finger, one finger. One finger. No cheating. No cheating. Is Rocky gonna help you as well? Quickly. Quick. Rocky's helping you. No, Rocky, you can't help. Rocky, you can't help. Rocky, no. No, Rocky. Come on, quickly, quickly, quickly. It's concentration. Go on, quick. He's there too. Come on, quick, quick, quick. Stop. Okay, so can someone record the time? It's 1 minute 6 seconds and 19. 1 minute 6 seconds and 19. So reset. Now, has she done every single one of them? Yes, she has. We'll double check. Yep, all of them are done. So we'll turn it over, and now we're gonna have Asia doing it. Rocky, no, Rocky. So now it's going to be Asia's turn. Asia, are you ready? Go! One finger.
I bet you're gonna lose.
Okay.
I don't care if I win or not.
No, you might win, you never know. Remember, £10.
I don't care if I lose. You're half it. Wait, if you win, when you half it.
No, you can't teamwork.
We can.
And one more. Just stop.
Wow.
32 seconds and 88. 32 seconds and 88. So now, audience, remember the time.
It's the leader's turn.
So we had the youngest. Now I have to beat Asia. Okay, reset. Okay, let's see if age comes into play. Ready, steady, go. I've got big fingers. I think the little fingers have advantage. That's not fair. I thought I'd be quicker, but I've got big fingers. It's getting stuck. Oh, no, Rocky! Move, Rocky!
Have fun,
Rocky!
Excited.
No, don't interrupt, Rocky, please. Rocky, no, Rocky.
Yes, Rocky.
No, Rocky,
Yes, come on.
no.
Rocky!
No, Rocky, move. I feed you every day. Stop.
I won.
Audience, Thank you very much. It looks like Asia is going to get £10. Asia, where are you going to spend that £10 in? Chocolate. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. And I tell you what, audience, if you're watching this, challenge is on yours. Try to beat Asia's score. Take care. Bye bye.